Now we consider another question, June 2016, sequence based. That is, let x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, and for n is greater than or equal to n is greater than or equal to 3, define xn is equal to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 divided by 2. Which of the following is or true? Sequence xn is the monotonic sequence. Second, limit n tends to infinite, xn is equal to 1 by 2. Third is sequence xn is the Cauchy sequence. Fourth option, limit n tends to infinite, xn is equal to 2 by 3. Here I am clear that if the sequence is monotonic sequence, either increasing or decreasing sequence. Now we consider here, given that x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, for n is greater than or equal to 3, xn is equal to xn minus 1 plus n plus 1 divided by 2. So x3 is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2. Put these values, 0 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2. Now we see that x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, and x3 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x1 is less than x2 and is x3 is greater than x2. So this is neither decreasing nor increasing sequence. Therefore this is not the monotonic sequence. Now x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, and x3 is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2. x4 is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2, and so on. xn is equal to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 divided by 2. xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 divided by 2. Here this is the xn minus 1, xn minus 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now adding all vertically, if we vertically add that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash dash xn, this is equal to x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to x3 is equal to if we see that, see there, this becomes overall. Here see x3 x2 upon 2, x1 upon 2, x4 x2 upon 2, x3 upon 2. तो यहाँ x2 upon 2, इस तरफ x2 upon 2 मिल करके x2 हो जाएगा, और इधर x1 upon 2 एज इट इज रहेगा. और इन द सेम वे वी गेट दैट x1 by 2 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash dash, this is xn minus 2 in the last xn minus 1 divided by 2, xn minus 1 divided by 2. So left and right sides x1 we are solving. When we solve it, we get xn plus xn minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Suppose limit xn is equal to alpha, then alpha plus alpha by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore 3 by 2 into alpha is equal to 1. Therefore alpha is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to limit xn. That means the sequence xn converges to 2 by 3. And if the sequence is converges, so this is the Cauchy sequence. Thus the option 3 and 4 are correct. Thus the option 3 and 4 are correct. Option 3 is sequence xn is Cauchy sequence, and option 4 is limit n tends to infinity, xn is equal to 2 by 3. So option 3rd and 4th is correct. Option 1st and 2nd is wrong option. Thank you.